Most business owners simply turn the lights off and walk away from their business. This means that they miss out on the largest tax-free payday that they're ever going to get when they sell their business. We know the stats on the number of baby boomers reaching the retirement age and the flood of businesses that's going to see coming onto the market. At the same time though, I think we're going to see a drought of people being willing to buy the businesses, because a lot in today's generation simply don't have the appetite for the risk of owning a business. They don't want the work that comes along with it, or they've got too much property debt, meaning they don't have the capacity to service higher debt to buy your business. For the people that have a plan to sell their business, it's about making sure that they're ready when the time comes to sell their business, because the number of buyers on the market is falling, so the amount of planning that goes into selling a business needs to be higher. My name's Hamish and I'm a director here at IIF Chartered Accountants. I formed IIF after seeing too many people not get the profit that they need from their business today and not generate the long-term wealth that they need from selling a business later down the track. Here's the thing, selling a business takes time, and for most people, they're not ready to sell their business when the time comes. So here's 4 questions that you should be asking before you start the process of selling your business. First of all, what's the goal from sale? Are you looking to sell 100% of the business, or are you looking to sell maybe 20% to lock in a key staff member? Who are you going to sell it to? So is it a family member? Is it a staff member? Is it a competitor to you currently, or is it someone up or down the vertical that you work in? So is it someone above the food chain than you, or someone lower in the food chain than you? It's about designing a business that can meet the needs of the person that's going to buy it. It's also about looking where you are on the growth fundamentals framework. So I'll put a link to a document you can read on that underneath this video. The second question is whether you're actually ready to sell your business. In the same way that a business broker will validate the potential buyers for your business, have you validated yourself to work out whether you're emotionally ready to walk away from the business that you've played your heart and soul into over the last maybe 5, 10, 15 years? For many people, they're not ready to take that step, so that can end up hindering the sale process. Thirdly, understand that selling a business is nerve-wracking. You know, as New Zealanders, often we don't open up our closet to other people. So as soon as another person comes in and starts asking you why you're selling your business, why your business is run how it's run, or why it has so many ups and downs, many people find that to be quite confronting. So that puts them off the sale process. So make sure you're ready for the roller coaster ride that selling a business can be. Finally, what are you going to do if you can't sell your business? So have you generated wealth external to your business? So have you got a rental property portfolio or a share market portfolio, or simply some cash savings that you can rely on if your sale doesn't go through? But at the same time, what happens if something happens to you prior to the sale being executed? So do you have appropriate insurances in place, the legal documentation, your shareholders agreement? Have you got your I's dotted and your T's crossed to make sure that your sale will go through? At the same time, it's about having plan B, C, D and E to make sure that you've got every single base covered. So a good place to start is to check out our ebook and the associated worksheets on selling your business. That's designed to ask you the questions that you need to be asking yourself to get your business ready to sell. Otherwise, start with making an internal process manual to help guide your staff towards a successful sale. What that means is that they'll be making more money for you today, you'll be working less today for the same amount of money, and also the multiple that your business sells for will go up because you've got better documented processes. Alternatively, get in touch with us today and we can help you come up with a plan to sell your business. The cost of doing nothing is simply too high. Thanks for watching.